Kwadwo Sheldon. Impeni power ponsama opese wasade pa.
Video nenim yesum.
I think they did a terrible job with regards to grading, but then over all kinds is here because so when why koka so conforce ko.
Kwadwo Sheldon bi Nyankopon. Kwadwo Sheldon baby a wo bia no. Me mabu. Baby me sia bia.
Shoot ya okay, pack. They find somebody for one corner, you just go edit on that upload them at distance near you.
Woti se kula. Woti uza kwalachi. And the studio abafu. No bia na dia wo dem.
Me, I feel like they actually gave out the storyline in the trailer. Me, my show moving away.
I'll come to Accra. And I say, China and now Friday. Baby, I will be I'll come for you. I swear. I didn't know. I can't call Ghana when Kwadwo. Who can start to say, over so say no.
Kwadwo Sheldon when the official movie trailer for A Country Called Ghana. Trailer no or the Ababontin. Now, which trailer here that was screen so one of the most awaited movie among for person bomb and come home should be enti any amount for bibi na no enso share trailer he say ebetimi edu achirichiri benche na se ne Ghana ne Nigeria etimi akabo ma yetimi aye movie wanwaso yi yenso yetimi ehu bi se ne eko na ebra Lil Win de trailer ne Babontin na so launch trailer na amount for bibi akasa wo ho nipa bibi so akero madwen wo ho se movie no ase eye esum bi wani mu e dark nature se kwan mo fa so yi trailer no kra ne e bi kire se enye fe na eno ana abrantie ba akwa ye friend Kwadwo Sheldon ya Kwadwo Sheldon yaw of the day abrantie ene ne nkola Scanty mo akasa ewo ho e kire mu se dabi enye standard we na na ye hwehwe dabi Kwadwo ensan enkombra biem na yenum se waboka momudie but anyway ana ni ye hwehwe.
I think they did a terrible job with regards to grading, but then over all kinds is here because so when why koka so conforce ko and that is why people argued say they should have taken their time for post-production because the shooting no be the problem because when you shoot you have the raw footage. Now you have to sit down, cut it, arrange it, grade it for it to make sense. That is where we have the problem. So within the shortest possible time, people are arguing that you can't shoot and churn out the top tier quality that we are advocating for. But on the other side of things, too, people are arguing say we do not have the resources to do that post-production.
I don't think so.
No. Because post-production is expensive. Beast fish dance. Raw footage in the Have you seen the timeline for Avengers or whatever before? Bro, see, it be crazy because everything matters with regards to post-production. But with one own, it be fast food. Because conversation was on into you chat, you are too that be people that argument, and I understand. But on the other side of things, I don't think we are resourced enough to even go through that post-production quality control process. I don't think so.
Oh yeah, true.
I do not think. And maybe a few ones go figure, but like, bro, it will be very, very expensive. I don't think the budget no go fit enter.
Me, I know see them go fit.
Okay.
If it's about budget, if Lil Win can get these people on board, and even wanted to get more people who refused. Money to invest in post-production, I sure see the money go there.
See, getting the people in there, you go have a conversation with people, then, because of friendship and relationship, the price where the person go charge you go tear top. When it comes to investing in equipment, machines that go actually color correct, some of these movies, you know go bargain with any company. No. So it is either you are investing in post-production or not. That be the thing, and that has always been people's argument, and that is why most of our films here, they know they care. Almost shoot here, okay, pack. They find somebody for one corner, you just go edit on that, upload them at distance near you. Because if you want to actually enter into the nitty-gritties of grading movies, bro, no, we no go fit. I don't think we are resourced enough for that level.
I don't think.
But it doesn't mean that the movie be bad.
The video coming out very fast. Be a reason why the things no be nice, for the arrangement no be nice for it. I know it's a video they take it 6 months before it comes out. This is the same thing we'll get.
Okay.
Me, I know say video we if Lil Win keep there's still the edit grading about 10 months time grad yebenyana.
Sa okay, semini nyina wie no anyo Kwadwo Sheldon wende no uchire mu say abrantie your friend Kwadwo Sheldon oche na obebo no kura ni nyame no bu nsamatiku abrantie no aye ni ti ho kokwa se bosom na ase ene etemdidie ni strong warnings Kwadwo Sheldon wende ama abrantie eja wadwe anya asem keto akire mu se nipa boka pempem billions of Ghana cedi akofa nkrofo firi Nigeria e de abeka Ghana si nitwafo ho a ankaka inkuranhye nsem bi fa kire ono Kwadwo Nkansale Win eso why wadwe nse odi echeze niema bone na odi obeye de a e de esi wo he ni keje ni ase no so no be fie ni na ho so hu seni a ekwa Kwadwo e de no buafu dendende tru e de atam de eja wadwe ye fa ne lana abusu ye mpose wa hana yenkotie Kwadwo Nkansale Win nsem ne bi emra na ye ba yatoa so before we akwa Kwadwo Nkansale Win nsem ne bi no e de aba no me kanfo Abigail Amoaten e de amount say Abigail digital marketing expert Abigail benam digital business so akere okwan obefa so ye bi enya sika medical ka kire say digital business na say sika bam enti mo amwa chirichiri benche echi titru ene mo amwa buru chire adwuma we betumi abe your side job wo ye obi adwuma wo ye home ka adwuma utifie unya adwuma bi anya fa Abigail number na da screen so no frɛ no test no WhatsApp no ene ne monko mo be chiro process no wa be ka family no ho ayi bi anya sika manfo lutu sika enutu sika nu abi na manfo ye e de hwefie fa Abigail number na ne monko bo ko no website Amoaten Abigail online register udin phone number beto no boase a chiro process na bibia tumi edimu abusia yenkotie Kwadwo Nkansale Win nsem no bi emra
hwe Kwadwo Sheldon, I swear to God bitu nyankopon bichi wana waya mdu nyankopon mabu buta mimpeni power bonsama opese wasade pa. I will never allow that person tiniye so open movies hwa she movie she quality movie she Fast and Furious correct trailer she full movie no dark be on the grading. Koshe beast of no nation. Talent to say. Chini se oketizaza dia enye bone modwuma no eboa ma se promotion die metiase. Bewo man from day one up to now. Won family nkwanya hweda. Enye ekente koga na ho ana wo beye ade sa de metiame. So be oketizaza menyum back to back I don't care. Be unye bi adenti na ekante ko ga na be nko ade o kin sadi se o be so say no beginning press conference no hwade o sada ko ye poster adventure I ko fa ho ahom to so ye din ko sa de bi Nyankopon hwe ye wa edit bench adwuma no unti mi jadwuma no jumre ye I'll come to Accra and say echina ana Friday. Baby, I will be. I'll come for you. I swear. I'll come for you. I swear. I will never allow you to do these things to me. Never and never. Scary. I swear. Me body to MSO. Montis can tabi and doing brewum. Modia water farco. I look at you studio all them. And I won't this kind of out on a way. We interview for phone. I said, Jiska. And I will go phone. We are using. And I will just do YouTube. Which can say, oh, say, post around here. What is kind of human be that? Unim how is this when this car and you move very juma. Without them, and I'll cast a fan for home, or beside the chest come on, I just can't. What's I post to pay? What's in your sky YouTube today? Don't joke with me. I swear. So we're moving that come moving. Today, oh, bien sabi, the moving grade the house getting the movie far. Correct? Because Fast and Furious. Now correct? Beast of no nation. Correct? Kalano. She move out. Whether that. She. Come move here. Sumu. Tina. Intina. Oko cinema. You do me light. Yeah, light. Tina. Utista kula. Menu. Ba me diako pon. Utista aprechua. We ma aprechua. Aprechua. The things are for. Sheldon. We ambassador. Me fiti ya num organ hanye ne since day one so unkasa fa me nwo da e de obeye na agbo wa anye na ekente ko Ghana no wasa atwen te se adepani pampe o pe se ya yamos kase kasa hera kase me fa se be adwuma na sei woni misologic say mo minim se Witrim za kwalachi minim se tofene mudi tofeno na mo winwira bi na ma asemu dem nye ene studio abafu no obi ana dia wodem no afran go be tanchen na obi a wonim how is stress ni woni how to spend money eya ade wonya 7 seconds to 7 scam nya djuma da no atras ka bone afa djuma ho ukete sa ya fine how many times I can start me nyum a me ye no so that cuz say me nyum nye but da ba ka se ba ka fa ho but I can't call Ghana and I just say yes eji wo no ma obi mfa fonfro wan kasa ba kasa fa ho won't you say you but don't trust it adjuma no o say no I'll come to Accra I swear cuz you said baby I will be no me mabu me to Nyankopon baby me share bia na come for you my course me free editing bench adjuma no honom abakra na nyimi anachira ana Friday run
abusia Kwadwo no ha branti na ni abrapapa said bi nanim fifire ni sika ode awura movie mu no enye sika wa enti ne se bi aburu se bi mbraduasa o ma obi nkotra ni studio 2x4 2x1 bi ebe kekensem kwa bi fa nkire onu Kwadwo kansale wo be so de gina na se ne asem na ti bi ono nso no akeka bi akire onipa ko na make say de oni Kwadwo Sheldon e de aboni papa abranti Kwadwo Sheldon nso abe pusi wo Twitter senya de obi fi no I'm forgetting no hokola kwani Kwadwo se obebe nkra ha abetwe abesi abrante Kwadwo Sheldon so ebrim no na next time no obi twa no movie a onkasa wo movie de zo no na yenyira fidikasi enso mo Kwadwo yi Lil Win yembo na ba so wa ya de nyame eya duma uni se 17th May ana Kwadwo se obe launch eye movie no ewo eye National Theatre ni Kumasi enti ebekọ di exclusive ni nyina de abrew enti we no edu a yenyina yenkota Kwadwo nkansa chi na movie premiere no ntumi enkoso kama na bibi ntumi enimu mekanfo Caristic Company Limited in reference Zara Misha ana Zara J capsules with the amount say be infection oba edum fichi kwachi ya wayase tumi ka odwe moja ne battle tot ku bie tumi to nka se wagunsa na se wakon fichi kwachi mu a kwaji mpanimfo no bi infertility or prostate problems oba ma enka ode pua white ma wase kwaji mpanimfo no bi Zara man capsules meme dro tatahwe dro di amanfo dance ho di amanfo dance pa de mom se besisi ya de sexual weakness de jawa dro dro ibetu ase de amam be ma odo yire o kanchima ukomtwu abi kompemu a timkija na sensenso no mpanimfo se bejo mu ndro bi hini heba me shei eba malaria fever typhoid diabetes blood pressure no kosoro a kwaji mpanimfo ndro bi adro FD ahwe made atom se ye opele dudu atu akofomasi heba store se be won sabetumi akempanimfo eno bi nyame eya doma dasa ne ya besen de ehie mesro so ba wa subscribe wa share wa comment every baby wa twin free na busuane tumi akoso ayekese makrawo